Hi guys, my name is Sheon Afolabi, aka Sheon the Storyteller, and you're welcome to the Storyteller TV. Please make sure you click the subscribe button and the notification button to subscribe to this channel. I'm going to be giving interesting and amazing content. You're going to love it. Please, once again, click the subscribe button to subscribe to this channel. I love you. Stay tuned.
When you matter now, normally me I dey say any matter wey tag am, so to remember am based on one or two. But as you not remind me, I just be say, when I besides that, my memory was I get this show. My village people want shake my calabash, but I'm not rich. So anyway, shake for them. Talk to me, and the follow they talk in a splash head.
You won't fight me.
I'm not fighting, I didn't tell you. Romantic discussion.
Yeah, because you see, I make you talk. They be like, you understand? And as a society, you are more adventurous. You try new things. You practice new things.
So destroy me for my future husband.
Don't be like that.
Abi?
Don't be like that.
Not be so.
No. Most men, they behave like say that they don't make them. They don't alive. They are very relaxed.
So now we never make them. You not see us, what people, you not see us side chicks, we never make them. Well, don't consign me. My own be say, SOKO, leave your money long like train life. You know say you want to try new things with me. Money for hand, bag for ground, not there for the 30 doors where they have for you soon.
Money do not worry.
I'm not there for your promises there, bro.
Don't be promise.
Okay, all this man we don't make soon. And he said he make them. When the time reach now, you know me, hey Jiro, you know me and money. Wait till you no, me, they talk, as they hold me for hand.
We need to connect romantically.
As Wi-Fi.
God. The lights are already carried.
Sleep with each other.
Yeah. Well,
Oh, it's okay. We're done. So why is my Wi-Fi line? Come back and change it.
they are taking that line.
After you don't waste my time and stand up for there. When you tired? And me because you come for phone, abi? Eh? Why me the para? You like say something they do you. Why the para? Be SOKO. They do you. Why me? Why not go para? You waste my time. You tell me say make me not para. They follow me the yarn just. See SOKO, listen to me. Go favor you. If you know what's good for you, SOKO, you'll pay my best money because time is money according to Igbo people. You waste my time, you'll pay for the best time. Yes, listen to me. Oh, you dey owe me 30,333 naira. Calculate all the time when me not wait for you. See. Not even your talk anything. As I did so, we not fit see again because your cable don't burn and me get another important paro when they go for.
Now, if you come down now, when you dress up like this now, you know, people stand now. You know what Panta before, you know what the past. Then you won't go to the moon after another part. What is there for now?
SOKO, you let's say something they worry for. Me they talk, they see they knocked it. They do you. So maybe like say your village people don't they shake your calabash. If you don't know where you want to shake a reset, hey, see, I beg you. Josh, come off my phone. Don't craze. They're going to see this. That's how I know what I before. Don't pay me, don't see the video. What's it? They know what you're waiting for.
I told that
Nine.
Another place is called to happen from the corner of the house. SOKO. With the corner.
Yeah, you look at it.
You feel just like my baby.
see your battery meter.
Your sound, leave on. The battery full. That called me that time. So I know what you need before.
You know what? The second time where I say, oh yeah, call me back.
Okay.
You're supposed to follow my phone. My phone supposed to be imaginary. You're supposed to edit that for your mind. Say, okay, now here the phone will ring. Okay, now you don't blink it. Because I control you now to phone it. If I repeat, look at like this, you will call it.
You should have been in line with it. For your duty, you need to.
So they worry you, how they show, see I beg. If you not see, you know they serious. Just clear me, man, divert focus. Don't gonna they give me one kind of detective parole when you say no, you shall be see. Which kind of detective talk is that? See, hello, Mr. Man, listen to me. Listen to me, so it will favor you. At least, see, Okada dey my front as I dey talk to you so, and I won't climb back. So go stand for your gate. I don't want you to say when Okada don't show for the company, you come back yourself, say you dey enter bedroom. Now you dey pay. See, oh yes.
I don't have parole again now. Not I don't shoot here. In fact, just wait for the person and the block. Don't get there.
You dey block who? I be free. So don't just tell me story, matter shift there. Wait, you won't be gone. So come you tell me say your babe go play away match. What should I come in matter don't shift gear? I better reverse yourself, reverse, make you reback. Don't wait for me. Because me say but they use speed, they come there.
I'm not telling you say my girlfriend go play away match. I say she don't want to travel, but if I see her, just as I said, just stay there, make I go block. If I come there, I come clear, just stay there. Just stay there. Now where you worry now?
Wait, oh. If you say they don't they shake Soko calabash for a village, Soko, you don't know me. You don't know me. You know well. We dey control my repack, stand up for there, not serious.
Cut it.
I'm ready.
I feel like a superstar. Okay, you already know who is behind the camera, the storyteller. The storyteller.
Which one is the next? What's the still number?
The award-winning director, writer, producer. And we're on the set of Soko and the Gang. And this is A0, your favorite star girl. You already know what I mean. I made a George. Hey God, behind the scene.
Please, once again, click the subscribe button to subscribe to this channel. I love you. Stay tuned.